Good morning, guys. This is your boy Praise underscore dude. So, guys, I know it's so sad, man, but I think I need to go back to Zimbabwe ASAP. I think you all know what is happening here in South Africa right now. Foreigners, they are no longer wanted here, and everything, man, it's just scattered. They're beating up people, they're killing people, they're shooting people, and everything is not going well. So I just decided to relocate again, going back to Zimbabwe for good. Going back to stay to Zimbabwe. Of course, I won't lose anything. Start life again. Of course, I'm gonna sell everything, give away, including the car. I'm gonna sell it as well. So I know, guys, it's so painful. And I know you were not expecting this, but at the end of the day, my peace of mind really matters. Guys, I'm gonna try by all means to do this video in English. I don't know how it's gonna reach, and I don't know how many people it's gonna reach. And there's some people that are watching me from South Africa, Mozambique, and other countries as well. So what I wanna say is, I love you, my people. Hopefully, you're just gonna keep on supporting me, even when I go to Zim, you're gonna keep on supporting me as well. And you all know my girlfriend went to Zim already, so at least let's make it easier to cut the cost, traveling costs and stuff. So I don't want to waste much of your time. I didn't want to leave today, but I just realized that I need to leave today ASAP. Also, my passport overstayed. My passport is overstayed, so that makes the journey a bit difficult as well to travel. So yeah, man, I just turned on the gears right now. I want to bath, hit the road to Zim. I know it's not easy, guys, but yeah, I have to go back home. I know it was like a short notice to you guys, but yeah, man. So travel with me from Johannesburg to Zimbabwe, relocating. I'm gonna miss South Africa, I'm gonna miss my car, I'm gonna miss everything. Starting from zero, starting from one, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. It was never easy, and it's not. Man, I'm so emotional right now. I can't Anyways, guys, let me go back and pack the bags. So travel with me from Johannesburg to Zimbabwe. Let's get it, man. Okay. I prefer the smaller one. Oh, it's dirty as well. It's dirty. But yeah. Anyways, let's pack. Let me put this one here. Okay. So guys, So guys, let's bath. Today we are washing our head after like a long struggle after weeks. So we are using Inecto shampoo to wash our head, to shampoo our hair. In fact, guys, I'm so late. That's why I'm skipping other parts of vlogging. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna hit you up as soon as I'm done. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, I'm done bathing. And now I wanna quickly rush and collect some money. Yo, my camera is dead. Yo, man. Yo. Yeah, still dead though. I think I need to wipe it out. But guys, I need to go and collect some cash to use for bus fare and to use along the way as well. So let's go together and quickly withdraw some cash. And we are so late, guys. Imagine. We are so late, guys. Now it's past 12. The bus is leaving at 2 p.m. sharply. And then I didn't even communicate with the bus team. And also, I don't even know if they're gonna allow me to go with my overstay though. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Let's hit the road and see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. So yeah, now I'm on my way to the ATM. Let's go together, guys. I'm gonna miss South. I'm gonna miss my chef. I'm gonna miss my car, guys. Imagine going start on scratch, starting using Ubers, taxis as well. When I was used to drive my car, hectic, man. Anyway, nonetheless, let's go to the ATM and see if we can collect the man, maybe, and then I'll come back and request Uber to Johannesburg park station. Yo, my dreadlock is now looking scattered. I was supposed to get a retouch first, but unfortunately I'm behind the time. You all know that I'm the brand ambassador of Nejo the Barber for fresh haircuts and for fresh retouches. Hit him up. But anyways, I don't have the time now. I will see when I'm in Zim. I will see what I can do when I'm in Zim. But I was just supposed to hit my barberman up before traveling. But nonetheless, let's see what we can do, man. Let's go and collect the bag. Let's get it. So guys, we're now withdrawing the man in my small car. The guys, did I show you that I put some stickers on my car? Did you see them? I put some stickers on my car. Okay, let me withdraw the man first so that I'll show you. I don't know, man, how it's looking, but yeah. Okay, so here's the man. It's fine now. Okay, guys, I didn't show you. I put some stickers there in front of my car. How is it looking now? Is it looking perfect? Is it looking fire? Should I add more of them? Anyways, guys, yeah, man, let's hit the road. I already requested the Uber while I was still here, so that I won't waste much of the time. Hey, this taxi driver is looking at me like crazy. He was busy looking at me. That's why I hate vlogging, man. People, they will be doing as if they are seeing a dog which is sleeping with a pig when I'm vlogging in public. I really hate that, man. Especially when you're a foreigner. They'll be like, when will you see you on 3rd June? You wanna flex ne? With your iPhone Pro Max 3 plates recording in public. Okay. That's why they hate us, these South Africans. But anyways, now let's go back home. No, I mean, yeah. See what's popping. Cruiser, man. I just saw a cruiser, guys. Yo, Papa now. I wasn't supposed to enter this intersection. But anyways, nonetheless, let's go, man. Let's go hit the road. So I guess switched off the lights, switched off everything. So you can see. Now let's lock the door. Now look at it. Yeah, my driver is here. And my bag, I already put it there. So let's go now. So guys, I'm gonna use manual because I hid my keys somewhere. So yeah, man, I'm closing the gate manually because I'm leaving my keys here in South Africa so that I won't forget them in Zimbabwe or leave them behind. I don't know where my Uber is though. Let's put this here. Oh. Let's go. Hello, how's it?
I'm good.
Okay. Guys, tafika pa park station hapo. So guys, today I met a very bad driver. I'm gonna rate her 1 star. Imagine she drove me outside and she was just rough and she was just rough and moody for no reason. I don't know, man. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm a foreign. I don't know, but I'm gonna give you a 1 nice star. And yeah, report you on Uber as well. So you guys are out here at Park Station, by the way, and I'm entering inside. I'm kind of late. It's like past 1 now. The bus is departing at 2 exactly. Let's hope we're gonna make it on time. Let's get it. So guys, we're out here in Park Station. And yeah, man. So let's go. This is the Park Station. It looks like airport though. The Park Station. So guys, let's go. This is the Park Station. This is where we buy tickets. Let's go. Oh. There we go. So we wanna go to Swiss down there. Let's push. Oh, guys, I almost missed the bus. I'm the last person, imagine, and I'm not gonna get the window seat. Oh, so now I'm running. I'm lucky. I'm lucky, guys. Got the front seat.
Unlimited Wi-Fi.
Satani ya wundi goni anapaya pandaka enda joni daenda kumaini ndikabuda ngoni takazongotsoka nekatoni daita hit song ya ringtoni vamwe ndakavapfekedza kotoni ndikati ndakuvhura kambaniko ndi testimony saka panda pandarwiswa nemadhimoni Satani ya wundi goni Boni weaoni Abandindoli testimony Saka panda panjaruswa ne matimoni Ya Kambani Kasara kungoga kasi manshani Nani mindrukurira paro kashani Katende tsaro chashani Yatova kongashani Saka ndreko Saka yatova pa evaporation Yatova ponchu leshani Yatova oka streshani Ungendriba filling station Wete pa police station
Guys, finally after so many hours We arrived here at Sasso garage Messina. I'm so hungry. Since in the morning I didn't eat anything, guys. And I want to buy pap in this store right here. I want to buy pap because I'm so fucking hungry. Anyways, let's do it. I'm dying here. Hello? How's it? Sorry, do you have pap? You're selling pap with? Guys, I just placed the order. As you can see, luckily there's not a lot of people that are ordering same food as I'm ordering pap. A lot of people that are ordering KFC down there. As you can see, that's where there's a huge line. Hopefully it's gonna be as fast as I thought, as faster as I'm thinking. Now let me go and pee so long. Oh, sorry. Let me pee so long while waiting for my order. I wanna change that stuff. Mas rero to endero. Mas rero. This is the food that I bought. Guys, we are now in Mashingo. We are now in Mashingo, guys, and I wanna pee so bad. Yo, I'm so hungry, yo. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry, and I wanna pee. But I can't buy food because they said it's just 2 minutes. Guys, unfortunately, I can't order anything to eat now. Because looking at where the time is right now, I can't order. Let me just go and buy some snacks fastly. Because if I were to buy solid food, the bus is gonna left me in Mashingo and those guys, they don't play. So let me just buy something to eat. So guys, we're out here in Mbuma. As you can see, yeah man, here's our bus behind there. We're out here in Mbuma and we're just checking our recess. Each 20 minutes recess. Yeah man, finally, yo, I'm so happy that I managed to stretch my legs because they were so painful and my back was so painful. At least we are like about 2 hours, 30 minutes away from Harare. So in about 2 hours, 3 hours, we're gonna arrive at our destination. So far so good. I bought the free marks, the chips, And I wanted to get chicken in, but I'm being stingy now. I don't know why I'm being stingy. And I lost all the appetite when I ate the free marks, the fruit and chutney. Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe they were too sweet or something. I don't know. But I no longer have the appetite for the food. So maybe I will see it when I get in Harare, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. But yeah, we're out here in Buma. Let me show you. So yeah, this is where we are right now. Home, Baba. We are home, Baba. Home, Baba. And this is our bath downstairs. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you when we are going back. I think let me just go and get a juice, a drink or something. But like I'm kind of thirsty. So yeah, maybe let's go and get a juicy nyana. I don't know. Let's go. Yeah, did you know that chicken in Mvuma is the best in Mvuma in Zimbabwe? I mean, chicken in Mvuma is the best chicken in Zimbabwe. Did you know that? I barely really know. Guys, I just wanna buy a drink and chicken in is full. You know Zimbabweans when they come, they go. You know them. So now I had to. Yeah, this road is making noise. I had to go to the nearest shop. So let me show you the drink that they got. What's what's that now? It's giving Zimbabwe. Yes. Yes, guys. I had to go to the nearest shop to look for a drink because the chicken is too full. You know what I mean? And the drinks that I'm finding here, they're hot, Papa. They're hot. I don't even know if they're refrigerated or something. They're so hot. And they said we're not allowed to drink in the bus. So I wanted to get maybe a 1 chicken or something, but unfortunately we are not allowed. If I drink something hot, definitely I will have some acids. So I don't know, man. I don't know if I should go for it. Let's see. So guys, I had to go for this one, and the dentist going for 20 rand, 16 rand. This Fuko, and then dentist, and then dentist on top. Because here we don't have coins in Zimbabwe. You know what I mean? And this is where we are, Mvuma. The one and this is our bus down there. Let me show you. This is our bus down there. Yeah. So guys, finally we are here at the road port, as you can see. Finally, I'm so tired. Yo, so I'm just waiting to collect my bag, and then I will request in-drive to go home. So yeah, let's get it. I don't know about Malawi. Do Amarira? Are you friend no? Megano are you to Rama? Oh. Oh. Sawa kule zvikudaro
piswa nani futhi wakuma
maZimbabwe pamanika green kakanaka
uzinoda watakwenda ku rain season vanhu vanovarasa zvikushanya
exactly
kana udirizwa boss kuti if we risairiri kai
kana udirizwa midzi yaibate guys ndasvika ndichizvibikira sadza guys nzara ndiri kunzwa ndikuda kufenda chachayo ndasvika chunga sadza. Sorry zvenyu. But yeah, outro ndokupa ndapedza kudya sadza komana. Guys, ndikutengesa German Shepherd hybrid rangu iri riri paAqua. Munongonipa mari yamunayo. Maybe 450, 500 tichitaura. 500 tichitaura. German Shepherd riri pahybrid. Aka kakanakira manje unosvika kunhamo katobata maoko kudhara. Unosvika katobata maoko kudhara kunhamo katopa laundry sadza. Zvakakanakira. Plus kanosvakira kega chikafu. Kanosvakira kega chikafu kakangwara. Aiwa shama chiteka kundijambira. Don't feel too overwhelmed kachigara pasi. Guys, tomorrow round 2 to 1 kachona kaka deletika kakafa. Anyways, we are man wana kangundijambira. Stop that man. Iwe mongore. We are here. We are here in Zimbabwe. Yeah, man, chat. So you guys were out here in Zimbabwe, you know what I mean? I made my mom's place. This is Dangareko, everything which is happening there. And stuff. But now I'm very tired. I was eating sadza. Not in Zara, I don't go in Zara. And I can't carry on with this vlog anymore. Anyways, stay tuned for more updates and for everything, man, that you wanna know. I know the games that I was doing in Chatangra Papi, in Janogara Kupi, stuff and new house stores and stuff. Stay tuned, man. I'm promising you guys, I'm promising my vida. I love you so much, guys. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching to the end. If you've watched to the end, write down the comment section with the W Zimbabwe. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Let's get it.